level 2 dance. So you're going to start with the forward, back, side, together. Side, together. Double flap, twist, twist. Right, left, shake it up. We're focused down on the kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Turn around, step, flap. Turn around, step, flap. Ooh, flap. Ball change. Jump. Cross behind. Unwind. Head.